Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we'll learn about how to change your name in Valorant. First, we have to go to the browser, open up the browser and type Riot Games. Go to the first website. And here you must sign in to your account. After signing in, go to the settings option, and in here you can see your game name and tagline. From here you can change your game name as well as the tag. I cannot change the name because I changed it recently, and after 90 days I'll be able to change again. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.